Here's another proof showing all the angles of his arm, and you can visibly see that tattoo. So this issue, Ligwak, strike one. Then I saw this, Jungkook was with Lisa when the dance video for Taeyang's collaboration song with Lisa, Shung, was filmed. And this person was claiming that this was the proof it's Jungkook, and he encircled Jungkook. So again, let's zoom in. So ito yung kiniklaim niyang si Jungkook. Hindi yan si Jungkook. Alam mo kung sino yan? Mama mo. Sobrang labo. This could have been anybody. So this claim, Ligwak, strike 2. And then this was also posted. Who do you think these are? Sabi, claiming that these were Jennie and V kissing. May pagyayabang pa siyang, I told you I have many pictures but I will post them in due time. However, this was also debunked. So here it says YG Leaker leaked Jennie and Taehyung kiss, but that picture was actually of Bradley Cooper and Irina Shayk, as you can clearly see. So this issue, Ligwak, strike 3, you're out. Sabi nga rin itong account na to, the only thing truthful from YG Leakers as for right now is the Blackpink trainee videos, since they all literal video proof, and song leaks which are easy to find. Everything else like dating, sexualities are not true. Meron ding theories na that YG leak thing was a cover-up for this. Because the day that this happened, that was also released. So there, so far wala pa namang nare-release na iba pang mga videos or evidences. And if that person claims to have terabytes upon terabytes of information, bakit hindi niya i-release? And akala niya ba hindi siya matitrace ng company if ever he does that? So madedemanda din siya. So in my opinion, this was just a distraction. Ginugulo lang tayo nito. Mag-focus tayo kasi 2 buwan na lang. Kompleto na ang BTS.